I'd like to start by thanking ESCMID for this opportunity to tell you about our society. ASID was established 46 years ago and is the peak professional body for infectious diseases and microbiology in the region. It is a key stakeholder for government departments, medical colleges, and other societies, including international organizations such as ESCMID. We now have over 1,050 members, including infectious diseases physicians, clinical microbiologists, scientists, infection control practitioners, public health physicians, sexual health physicians, veterinarians, and others eminent in the field of infectious diseases across Australia and New Zealand. The aims of our society are threefold: to advance postgraduate education in infectious diseases in Australasia and internationally, to promote research in all aspects of infectious diseases, and to advocate for sound and evidence-based public health policy in matters related to infectious diseases. To this end, we have established a number of special interest groups, or SIGs, that provide training and advocacy in key areas. These include SIGs in hospital infection control, the immunocompromised host, pediatric infectious diseases, mycology, vaccination, viral hepatitis, and zoonoses. These SIGs meet regularly and organise webinars, conferences, training, advocacy, and research in their specialised areas. The ASID Clinical Research Network was founded in 2009 to foster and facilitate high-quality, multi-centre, investigator-initiated studies among our members. To date, they have supported or endorsed a series of key clinical trials aimed at informing infectious diseases policy globally. Recent successes include the multi-centre Merino randomised controlled trial, which was the first to compare meropenem and tazocin in the treatment of ESBL bacteremia, and was presented at ESCMID in 2018. Pianoforte is investigating treatment for prosthetic bone and joint infections across 25 centres in Australia and New Zealand. The CAMERA study is a multi-centre randomised controlled trial studying the optimal treatment for MRSA bloodstream infections. And DINGO is studying diabetic foot infections. And the list goes on, but you have to admit that we certainly have a penchant for developing great acronyms. Our trainees developed their own introductory trainee education program in infectious diseases, also known as Intrepid, when they couldn't meet face-to-face due to COVID. This has proved to be one of ASID's most successful training programs ever. Our annual scientific meetings are always great events involving invited international speakers as well as local talent. Last year, we held our first fully virtual ASM, which featured local and international speakers, including Dr. Anthony Fauci. Recent developments include the formation of a new advocacy and policy committee due to our increasing focus and workload in this area. We've also recently formed a new equity and diversity committee to ensure that we continue to deliver on this important issue. It is highly important to us that we continue to play a key role in shaping national policy and being part of the national debate, and our structures above that I've discussed beforehand allow us to deliver on this goal. Please do take a look at our website at asid.net.au to learn more about the Society. We accept international members and will be delighted to hear from you if you are interested in joining our Society. Thank you and have a great meeting.